Is Live Jam back now? No? Not yet? Wait, yeah? Oh, it's audio only. Okay, so if any of you have been watching my recent videos on Live Jam or Sing Live, or have been informed about what's going on Smule, then you probably know that video live jams are no more, and now they call it Sing Live, and you can only access it through groups, etc, etc. But Smule has been announcing a while ago that they come up with a new audio version of the Sing Live or Live Jam. And guess what? It's been released this week, as you might have noticed. Or not. So in their new blog post, they say that their new Sing Live audio is coming out this week. And most importantly, it's going to be accessible for everyone. So apparently you don't have to be in a group for it anymore, and if you want to start a Sing Live this time, you can do it from your profile again, publicly. And that in the same tab where there used to be Live Jam before. There's only a few slight changes this time. Now when you start a Sing Live, you don't have the video option anymore. So you'll only be able to hear people's voices, but you won't be able to see them. Also, you'll be asked to give Smule your birthday because they want to verify that you're at least 16 years old. Because that's a requirement for a live session now. Then you have the same options as always. You can write a short description, what your Sing Live is about. You can either make it public or private, and then you can invite people to your live. What's cool is that you can see the globe on here now, and you can see where the people currently singing are from. That's pretty interesting, honestly. By the way, I think that Android never shows your real location, and I think that's been an issue for a long time on Smule. Since I've been on Smule, they've never really seemed to be able to fix it. But on the iPhone, it's always worked so far. Anyways, you have the usual settings, such as voice filters or effects. You can choose how loud you want to be able to hear yourself and the other person. You can send people gifts, and here you have the songbook where you can choose any song from the library. And here you can either join the waitlist, or when you're the host, you can invite a duet partner, pass the mic to someone else, or just drop it completely. On the top right, you see who's in the Sing Live chat and who's on the waitlist. And on the top left, you can open this tab where you see the banned users, the reported users. You can switch to public or private live session, but you can also leave the chat or end the broadcast if you initiated it. In case there's any technical problem, you can report it down here. So you're probably wondering, can people still see your Sing Live on the Explore tab? Yes, they can. People can freely join your public live session from the Explore tab, finding you in the Live Now section, but they can also find you on your profile in the Sing Live tab, or even if the session is private, then they can join you if you invited them directly. So to sum it up real quick, Sing Live audio is available to anyone who is at least 16 years old, for VIP and non-VIP users, for Android and iPhone users, and it is accessible from the profile on the Sing Live tab, from the Explore tab in the Live Now section, and if you've been invited through messages or other social media with the link to it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it useful, and subscribe. That's all I gotta say. I would really appreciate it because I don't like saying the L word, but anyways, here it is. I really like you. Anyways, this is it from me, and for further information, don't forget to visit the blog where Smule explains everything to you, even with an FAQ section. Thanks for watching, Danyavad, and auf Wiedersehen.